Hello girls, welcome to your music lesson. Today we will talk about the music tie. To begin, let's remember the musical symbols and its values. The first one is the crotchet, which values 1 beat. Then we have the crotchet rest. It also values 1 beat, but it doesn't sound. Remember, this is a rest. Finally, we have the minim. The minim values 2 beats. How do we call them? In one of our previous lessons, we named each musical symbol with a foot name. For example, to the crotchet, we said pi. As it values 1 beat, it was like pi. To the crotchet rest, we say sh. Remember, it has to value 1 beat, like this. Sh. Finally, we have another pi, but at this time, this pi is bigger because the minim values 2 beats. So we say pi. Alright? You can clap. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi. What is the music tie? The music tie is a curved line that joins two notes of the same pitch. For example, in this picture, we have a crotchet which values 1 beat and a minim which values 2 beats. But there is a tie that joins these two musical symbols. They in total now value 3 beats and they will sound ta. In conclusion, the tie is like a sum. We have to sum the musical symbols that are joined by this. Let's practice. Are you ready? Exercise number 1. Here we have 2 crochets joined by a tie. Each one values 1 beat. So, in total, it values 2 beats, or the same as the value of a minim. If you noticed, each crotchet is represented by a pi, like this, pi. Yes, and finally the minim is represented by a pi, but this pi is bigger. Why? Because it values 2 beats, but one crotchet values only 1 beat, the half of a minim. Now, these 2 crochets joined by a tie will sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi. Exercise number 2. In this occasion, we have a crotchet and a minim joined by a tie. The crotchet, which values 1 beat, is represented by a small pi. The minim, which values 2 beats, is represented by other pi, but this pi is a little bit bigger. In total, they value 3 beats, or as well as a dotted minim. This is a new musical symbol for you. This is represented by another pi, but this pi is bigger than the crotchet pi and then the minim pi. It sounds like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi. Exercise number 3. Here we have 2 minims. Each minim values 2 beats and they are represented by pi's. In total, they together, because they are joined by a music tie, value 4 beats, or the same as a semi-brief. This is one more new musical symbol for you. This semi-brief is represented by a pi, but this pi is the biggest one because it values 4 beats. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi. In this music lesson, we met 2 new musical symbols. The first one is the dotted minim, which is a meaning with a dot next to it. It values 3 bits. Then is the semi-brief. It has a circle shape and it values 4 bits. Thank you so much, girls. See you the next lesson. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. And don't forget that if you don't understand this lesson, you can write me to have a WebEx session. Bye bye!